Hey, welcome back to my channel. Guess what I did? Went grocery shopping. So it's not a lot, it's just some things for me for the next couple of weeks since the kids are gone, and then some household items that I needed. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we will start at this end. I got 2 dozen of the jumbo eggs. They were like 89 cents. And I'm going to make some hard-boiled eggs, and then I'm going to have them in my lunches. I got some diet cherry Dr. Pepper because every day I watch Joni drink it and it makes me want it. So I decided to get some more. I found this sub kit. Okay, so Ashley over at Keto Jinx makes like unwitches for lunches. So that sounded really good, and I kind of decided I kind of want to do that too. So I got this pack. It says it makes 14 6-inch subs, and they're all layered. And it's not bad. It's 2 carbs for, the total of 4 slices. So that's not bad. So I got that. And it was actually on sale, like $4.99. These were on sale for $2.99 each. The uncured salami and uncured pepperoni. They are 0 carbs each. I thought these looked really good. This just turkey pepperoni snack sticks. I am all about salami and pepperoni if you haven't already been able to see. This was like $1.50, so there's only 4 sticks in it, but I just want to snack on that. For the first time ever, I have finally found a sugar-free sweet relish. For the first time. For the first time. I'm so excited. So I had to buy that. I got a pack of provolone cheese and a pack of sharp cheddar, both 0 carb. They were like $1.15. Got 2 packs of ground turkey. I think they're both a pound. Yeah, like a pound, just over a pound. $3.85. So I got those. I can come up with some stuff to do with that. Got a big thing of Meyer brand chicken breast for $8. This is like multiple days worth for me because remember, it's just me. The kids are gone. So this is like, I can have a chicken breast every day of the week if I wanted. I ran out of paper towels and toilet paper. I wanted to get the Faye yogurt, but they were out. So I got these 2 good yogurts. I got the peach, the blueberry, and then 2 of the mixed berry. I felt like doing some baconators at home like Joni Keto Diamond has been doing lately. So I bought this. I think there is 4. Is there 4 burgers in here? Yeah. 4 burger patties. I mean, it's Mark Wahlberg. I ran out of my passion fruit tea. This is so good. You mix it with some heavy whipping cream. It's just like the Starbucks pink drink. I even used the ones out of my tea book that Wendy sent me. Ran out of multi-surface cleaner, so I never had the rosemary smell, so I bought that. I also really, really like the Grove basil. Well, not Grove, I'm sorry, the Myers. This is Myers basil smell, so to have it in a candle is amazing. So I bought this. I do have a link in my description box if you want to try Grove Collaborative, where you can actually purchase all of the Mrs. Myers stuff, as well as 7th Generation and a bunch of different types of cleaning things. You do get a 5-piece free gift whenever you order for the first time from them, and then I get a little credit towards my account, so the next time I buy from them, then I get a little money off. So I didn't buy from them this month because I couldn't afford it. So, and I was just short on things here, so I just needed this. This was just a bonus. It was actually in the clearance aisle for $2. Normally, I think it's like 4 something, so that was exciting. Next, okay, these are confusing to me. I don't know what I'm doing that I'm not counting it right, but okay. So I knew that they made sugar, and I get the bread, and I've got the buns, and I got the granola, but I also seen these bars. Now here's my question. On the front it says 6 net carbs, okay? On the back, it says There are 16 carbs, 3 fiber, and 3 sugar alcohols. So that's 6. Okay. What is 10 minus, or what is 16 minus 6? It's 10. So how is it 6 net carbs? Wouldn't it be 10 net carbs? I'll just read it because it's not coming up. It says, Sola nut bars contain 4 grams of sugar. The average adult nutrition bar contains 7. Net carbs can be calculated by subtracting dietary fiber, allulose, sugar, and sugar alcohol from total carbs, since they have a low glycemic response. Our added sugars include allulose, which only, so that's where the 4, okay, that's it. So this one is 5 net carbs. This is the white chocolate, vanilla, and caramel. The chocolatey nuts and sea salt is 6. And the peanut butter and milk chocolate. And these were generally very cheap. These were $1.29. Now compare that to a Quest bar that is over $2. Almost $3. So I got those. 1 of each flavor that they had. And then I did see their granola, which is 6 net carbs. Double chocolate. I don't know if they have other flavors, but this is the only one that was on the shelf. So I got that. I got 2 Mios. I got a blueberry lemonade. This is, there we go, blueberry lemonade and berry pomegranate. I like putting these in yogurt, in my drinks, with my Sole water. I got some guacamole and some sour cream. Now Daisy brand is the lowest that I can find carb-wise. I think this is actually only 1 net carb too for this guacamole. I did get a Lollis bar. It's been a while since I had one, but I got that. I found this cold brew packs from Starbucks. This was cheaper than even the off-brand, so I bought that. I needed freezer bags and this litter deodorizer, and then I bought the rest of the Meyer Game Day chicken wings. These are bone-in, and they have no breading. It's just the skin. They're delicious, so that's going to be my lunch. And on my way home, I got this Diet Dr. Pepper, and then I did get this protein pack. It has some Monterey Jack cheese, some turkey sausage, and then it has an egg in here. So that's it, guys. That's my grocery haul for this next couple of weeks. I'm excited about the new lunch ideas and things that I have. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.